We take a tour of a Rustic VW Transporter by a young lady who's also kicking off a business. Let's go say g'day. G'day.
Hello.
How you going?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good,
That's
good. Just hanging out in the rays and...
Yeah, just enjoying the serenity.
Beautiful.
In the van, yeah.
Beautiful. Well, you picked a great spot.
I know, nice and quiet.
All right, well, let's start. What's your name?
My name's Clare.
Where are you from?
Originally I'm from a town called Port Hedland in Western Australia, and now I'm in Ocean Shores, New South Wales.
What do you do for some money? How do you make money?
So I work for the local council here in Byron Shire, just a 9 to 5, which is pretty cruisy.
Yep.
And this on the weekends.
Nice, nice. And a bit of a side hustle with your...
Yeah, so in the last few months I've started a little brand called RoamingFolk, and it's just car seat covers and accessories, which I'm kind of in the midst of designing my own covers. So that's a little project I've been working on the weekends and during weeknights, so it's coming along nicely.
How long have you been in the van for?
A year, and pretty much every weekend I've nearly been away in it, so it's definitely a good investment.
Great. What type of van is it?
It's a Volkswagen Transporter,
Yep.
long wheelbase.
Long wheelbase?
Yeah,
Perfect.
it's just got that bit of extra room to kick back.
Boy or girl?
It's a boy. His
Yep.
name's Rufus.
Rufus.
Yeah.
Very nice. Did
Yeah.
you convert Rufus yourself?
No, I bought Rufus how he is. I wasn't even really planning on getting a van, but my brother had driven around from Western Australia in his van, and when he came over I fell in love with his, so I kind of was thinking about getting a new car, and then this one popped up on a Facebook page, and I took my brother just to have a test drive, just to have a look, and then while I was in the car with him I just said I'm going to buy it. So I sold my other car and bought this one.
Too good.
Yeah.
Never look back?
Never look back. Best decision ever.
How about you give us a tour?
Cool, all right. So this is obviously where I drive. This is where all the
Nice.
adventures start.
And there are your car seats and wheel covers
Yeah,
that you're
these
doing?
are my samples at the moment, so I'm just trialling them out, seeing how they work, if the material's good, and if they're comfortable. This is the inside.
All right, so what have we got? A double bed?
Yeah, double bed, all recycled timber pallets.
Beautiful.
So the guy who made and created it wanted it to be recycled and sustainable, so he did recycled timber pallets, and he was an electrician, so he put his own downlights in.
So they're 12 volt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty handy. I keep all my kitchen stuff in here, and that's just storage for all the clothes, and my little surfboard goes in there.
Nice little section for the surfboard.
Yeah, they've got a longboard. Don't take her out as much as I like, but lives in there for quite a few days of the year.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Yep. Do you have electricity or batteries or things like that?
I have a connection to do my phone, like plug your phone in.
Yep.
But that's it. So yeah, just a bit of electricity for your phone and connections, which runs off a dual battery.
So no solar power?
No solar.
Awesome.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, and the shelves?
There's not much in them at the moment.
Yeah.
But normally, yeah, I just chuck some books and incense and all that up there. Yeah, I got like sugar and all tea and all that in there. So
Very nice,
yeah.
very nice. So how do you warm things up and cook and
come on. So I've just got a little portable gas cooker in the back. Yeah, I cook on, I got a fry pan and everything, so it's just easy. You can just pull it out. Got the billy for tea, coffee. And I've got some water under there, and then this is just all my camping stuff, rugs and umbrellas and camp chairs.
So you just set your cooker up on the table or
Yeah,
on
I
the
just
floor,
put it up on the table there, and then if I need anything cold I just chuck an esky in the back. So.
Yeah. What's the handle on the back door?
That is just it releases the lock here to open it from the inside.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
And you've got lights as well in your...
Yeah, we've got a light at the back when you open it. That one.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah, so there's always lots of light, and then you've got your standard fairy lights in there.
And your walls, your nice white walls behind you?
Yeah, I was gonna do something on them, but I kind of like the simplicity of it. So yeah, I just left them white.
Yeah,
Yep.
I think they look really fresh.
Yeah, it does. It's nice and airy and open. So
Yeah.
yeah, I really like them just to keep them plain.
So do you sleep with your head sort of long ways or across?
Long ways. So normally that way, looking out.
All right. What's your favourite thing about the van?
The roof. It's just so raw and really pretty. So I like the roof. And that it's really long and you can stretch out in it.
And I noticed you've got a nice flower pot behind you.
Yes, I'm obsessed with dried flowers. Yeah, these ones went really nice with the van. So they've been in here since I got him.
Nice.
Yeah.
And is that pot stuck to the...
Yeah, he's got
Good idea.
blue tack.
Yeah. Did you tint the window yourself?
No, the whole lot is tinted. So
Yep.
except for the front windscreen and the front two windows. So yeah, you can't see in during the day.
Yeah, very nice. So you've got storage under the bed,
Yep.
storage drawers.
Full of storage. So there are two big drawers, a drawer here, and then I've got these drawers here.
Very cool.
There's kind of lots and lots of space for anything you want to put in there.
And there must be a bit of insulation in the roof.
Yes, yep, there's insulation up there, so keeps it nice and cool.
Floor, it's kind of a lino.
Just
easy
a
to...
lino, easy to sweep off, and with all the beach sand you track in, so yeah, and a little mat for wiping your feet before you come in. But yeah, it's easy to maintain and clean.
Very nice. Thank you very much
No worries,
for giving
thank
us
you
a tour.
guys.
Very good. We'll leave you to enjoy the serenity. And
Thank you. All I need now is a beer.
maybe next time.
Yeah.